Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a boat with wood. Let me open it. And do you know what? It can even go in the water or in the tub. My magic scissors are gonna help me cut. I don't really want to cut off. Wow. Wait, come out. Here, let's open this up. Let's try. Wow. Looks like this is gonna be like the wavy thing. We have like two of these little sticks and one of the biggest and longest, and this looks like a cute wood piece and another wood piece with a hole in the middle. And we have some thread and some instructions here. I'm gonna stick these small wood pieces to this big wood piece. So we have to just stick it in the middle. So I'm gonna do it here, there, and right there. Here, and now I'm gonna stick this one, and right here. That's perfect. I'm gonna put this here. Well, first I'm gonna put glue, so it sticks there. You have to put glue in this small hole. Put the small stick inside. I want to put the smaller stick right here. First I have to put glue so it sticks there. I'm gonna put it in. So we have to put this rope inside this hole. Rotate it, so I'm gonna drag it. Now I'm gonna tie both of the ends. I'm tying it here. Finish tying in both of the edges. I'm gonna cut the extra. Nice. Now I'm gonna glue the seal on this. Glue this one, I'm gonna glue another one. Sticking it. Top. Ta-da! Our boat is ready. I'm gonna paint on bottom of the boat. Pour brown paint for painting. There. I'm gonna paint the boat. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm done with brown. Now I'm gonna do red. I'm painting here. I'm done painting my boat. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down in your red subscribe button, touch it, and you can watch a lot of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye!